President Obama is spending your tax dollars to create jobs. How's he doing? You've heard of Solyndra. They took $535 million in taxpayer loan guarantees and went bankrupt. But that's not even half the story. Obama's Department of Energy has handed out billions of dollars in loans and grants. First Solar, $3 billion in taxpayer-backed loan guarantees. Now they're cutting jobs, and their stock is near all-time lows. Ecotality received $126 million in taxpayer money, lost $45 million, and currently under investigation. SunPower, more than $1 billion in loan guarantees, lost $500 million last year, laying off workers. More than $16 billion have gone to companies like Solyndra that are linked to big Obama and Democrat donors. The Inspector General said contracts were steered to friends and family. Obama is giving taxpayer money to big donors, and then watching them lose it. Good for them, bad for us.